It all started on Tuesday when Bharatiya Janata Party released screen grabs from a propaganda toolkit claiming that former Congress President Rahul Gandhi used the pandemic to malign the country and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's image, and that it will fire an FIR against Congress. The exposed toolkit aimed at maligning the government over its handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. The kit feeds on communal differences while asking patrons to attack Kumbh as super spreader and avoid talking about Eid gatherings. The toolkit asks to call the new strain of coronavirus as India strain or the Modi strain. It also promotes usage of dramatic pictures of dead bodies. It asks to use formal civil servants to target PM. It also asks to attack those who donate to PM Cares Fund. Aiming at PM Modi, the toolkit asks for calling Central Vista a Modi's house. It asked to amplify the work done by Congress workers. The toolkit exposed the dearth of oxygen beds in the country, which the Congress called on their members to reserve and hold and to be released by a request made directly to their youth body. The toolkit asked to use international media houses and friendly journalists to malign the country's image. On Wednesday, Sambit Patra, BJP spokesperson, tweeted that multiple toolkits were prepared by the Congress from day one to tarnish the image of India. He also shared one such kit on Central Vista project. Patra also exposed toolkit properties to reveal that it was created by a person who works for Congress leader Rajiv Gowda in charge of Congress party's research wing, Ms. Soumya Verma, policy and political research consultant working with Gowda since 2017, after threatening to file an FIR against BJP leaders, calling the toolkit forged and denying any links with the toolkit and the creator. Congress has finally agreed on the authenticity of the Central Vista project toolkit and said that its research wing made a toolkit on the project which the BJP is wrongly using for propaganda. It called the document genuine, and links with Soumya Verma, the alleged creator of this toolkit, have already emerged in public. Going by a 2019 report published in The Print, Verma was a part of the 19-member Congress committee which drafted INC's 2019 Lok Sabha manifesto. She has deleted her Twitter and LinkedIn social media accounts post the exposure. In due time, investigations into the matter will decide the fate of this controversy. However, the striking resemblances between the actions of Congress supporters and instructions in the AICC document are really hard to miss.